How to fix WhatsApp microphone. Not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, go to Settings, scroll all the way down to WhatsApp under your apps list, tap it, and make sure the microphone toggle is switched on. If it's off, that's likely your issue. If the option is grayed out and can't be turned on, backtrack to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, either disable restrictions entirely or go into microphone permissions under that menu and ensure WhatsApp is enabled. Once that's done, head back to WhatsApp's app settings and double-check the microphone is still switched on. Open WhatsApp and give it a test. Still not working? Try a soft reset. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Let the phone restart, open WhatsApp again, and test the mic. It should be good to go. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe.